Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends in Wuthering Waves. So all you have to do if you're in a game, simply pause the game and access the pause menu. So pause your game and access this page. And then from here, all you have to do is click on the friends icon or the friends option that appears. So select it. And then from here, you should see a list of all your friends. Now, if you'd like to add a friend, or rather add friends, all you have to do is simply click on add friend and then type in their user ID and search for them. So type in your friend's user ID. So let me just type a random one. And then once done, simply click on search. And then now let's say, for instance, this is my friend. All I have to do is simply click on the plus icon and you should see this option, friend request sent. And now once they accept your friend request, and you can now see your friends from your friends list. So that's basically it on how to add friends in Wuthering Waves. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.